Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Bird, and I checked out Joann's website and they said that everything was 30 to 70% off. So let's go in and see what's really happening. Word on the street is that the smaller Joann stores will be closing toward the end of April and that the larger ones will be closing in May. All right away, I can see that finally, cotton had been stuck at 20% off. Finally, it is at 50% off. Finally, guys. And there still seems to be a fair amount of cotton available. I am at the Westminster location in Maryland, which is a smallish size store. So cotton has finally been dropped down to 50% off. All right, so correction. Kona and Silk Classic cotton is only 30% off. It is not 50% off. And so you're looking at $6.99 a yard and you'll get an additional 30% off of that. The other thing that I wanted to share with you guys is if you haven't looked at some of the comments on Instagram and other social media sites, they have been hit really hard with a lot of nasty comments because a lot of people were burned and not able to use their gift cards. Plus, they've been really upset about the liquidation sale because the items that you see that are on sale now are still higher price than the items of what you would pay when Joann's was still a Joann's. And I get it, guys. I get it. I know this is a liquidation company, still has the name Joann, but it is a liquidation company that is in place. Christmas fabric, 60% off. It's only a little bit of it here. Not sure why that would be there. That is absolutely not Christmas fabric, but I am going to take it up to the front. It's on Cara, and I want to see what they're asking for that. Fashion apparel, the Draper James eyelet fabric is 30% off. The licensed and Halloween fabric is 80% off. So you got some Barbie stuff here. So if you're looking for that kind of stuff, then maybe it's time for you to run in. So it's $12.99 and $12.99 and you'll get 80% off of that. So that's not a bad deal at all. I'm adding this because someone dropped a comment. They wanted to know whether or not there were any quilt hoops. There's nothing in the quilt section. There's very little here in the quilt section. So if you're looking for those things, don't rush out at all. And of course, here we come to the fleecy area. And fleece is now, this at least the anti-pill prints are 70% off, and there is still a 2-yard minimum. Flannel fabric is 60% off. Extra wide solids, 30% off. Double face quilt fabric, 40% off. So let me tell you exactly what that means. At 40% off, you're talking $20 and you get 40% off of that price. Here's some broadcloth here. It doesn't say how much this is, but it's $7.99 full price. That's actually pretty decent, just fabric to have around the house. I'm curious to what they're asking for that. Let's continue to walk through. Knit solids are 70% off. So finally, guys, the prices are beginning to actually reflect a real sale. Isn't that a gorgeous yellow? It just immediately drew me to it. But it's finally starting to reflect a true sale. So you might want to come in and take a little look around. A number of people I know was looking for this smocked fabric. I'm glad I was able to grab some off from another store that was closing a few months back, and I actually got it at 70% off. When I was in Columbia last week, they had no denim. This store has a very small selection of denim. Again, I'm at the Westminster location. It's 40% off. And so this is the Lucky brand denim, and it's normally $21. So you will get 40% off of that price, but it is limited as far as the availability of denim. I think I may have shared with you guys, I picked up some of this from a previous sale and got a much better price for it. Specialty apparel fabric, 60% off. Things are starting to look a little bit jumbled here, but they still have a decent amount of fabric available. If you're into cosplay, I think that's how you say it, cosplay. costuming jewelry, costuming fabric, it's 70% off. I assume that's a pretty decent deal. Flannel fabric, 60% off. And then down here, So Sweet fabric, 60% off. Looks like kind of 3D embroidered fabric. Some of it's pretty cute. I, again, was able to get some of this at a deep discount previously, so I don't need any of this right now. Let's keep walking through to see what's available. Not a surprise at all, but this entire aisle, and I just want to make sure I don't include people that are shopping just out of respect not to include them, but this entire aisle is filled with fleece, and not just this aisle. So let me show you this one too. All different types of fleece, and I've heard from people in the comments that they actually use fleece to make winter coats. So I might even pick up a little piece. Maybe not today. It's 50% off, but I'm not going to do it today. This stuff is going to be here for a while, so I'm going to wait until this is 60 or 70% off. Maybe I'll give it a try and make a coat this winter. If you're planning to do any work with outdoor fabric, it's 70% off now. So that might be a decent deal. So if you want to upholster your cushions for outdoors, if you want to redo your sunbrella, this might be a good opportunity. All right, we're over at the thread section, and it's looking pretty scarce. They have a few different types of thread available, different spools, and the Gutermann thread is all 60% off, but look at it. There really isn't much there. A little bit of machine embroidery thread, but the small spools pretty much, and you need more than that if you're going to do embroidery. They also have some serger thread available. It says Gutermann thread. This is something you may want to check at the front because it says Gutermann, but this is not Gutermann thread. This is serger thread. It is Maxi Lock, a different brand. And then you see over here, they have a sign here where it says regular thread is 40% off. So you definitely want to make sure that you check that out. Let's take a look over at the zippers. Last time I was here, the zipper section was looking pretty thin, and zippers are now all 70% off. So that's probably a pretty decent price. So if you're in need of zippers, you may want to come out and take a little look. Toward the back of the store, what used to be the clearance section has just a hodgepodge of different things in it. So there's some Sherpa, 70% off. And to tell you what that is, you're talking about $16.99 a yard, and $16.99, you're talking about $5 a yard for Sherpa. I'm always drawn to a nice animal print. And then they also have some faux fur, and the faux fur is $25 a yard, and you get 80% off of that. And there's still the 2-yard cut minimum, so they have not increased that, which is good. I'm not sure if this is an indication of the sales, but there is not a single person in line or at the cutting table. I didn't see this before, but they have a super small undergarment, kind of a bra making area, and everything here is 70% off. Here is the button department, or such as it is, and everything is 50% off here. But you know, when Joann's was open, I always used a coupon and got all my buttons at 50 and sometimes even more off than that. So not a really, really great deal. I honestly like Hobby Lobby for their buttons. The yarn section is decimated in this store. If you're in the Maryland area and you're looking for yarn, I recommend making a drive down to Columbia. It is 40% off now, and the Westminster location really has none to speak of. Well, folks, that's it for now. I will keep you posted. It's starting to look like a real liquidation sale. My name is Bird, and if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you know when I have an update about what's happening. Talk with you guys soon. Bye-bye for now.